welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be reviewing, installing and dyeing this blonde hair that I bought from Jazz Star Hair. So this is the first time buying hair from this company and trying the hair. So here I'm going through the box showing you how it came. So it's a body wave. I think it's in 18 inches, I think so, I'm not too sure, but this is inside of the box. It came with the clip. I love that clip, actually, it's so cute. But yeah, it also came with this thank you card showing what kind of hair is it, human hair, whatever. Yeah, so this is inside of the wig cap. It has clips. It's a closure wig. So yeah. Okay guys, so it came pre-plucked. This is how it looks. I'm not sure if I have to go in a little bit more and pluck it, but that's how it looks for now. So yeah. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna get to dyeing now. Okay guys, so at first I was using this brush side of the what do you call this? This is for the edge brush, and then I realized it was just pulling all the other hairs up and just causing a whole mess. So I decided to use the comb part, and it's a bit easier. Yeah, bear in mind guys that this is the first time I'm actually doing anything like this, so yes, let's hope for the best and hope that it comes out okay. So yeah. So it's coming out a bit easier. All the other stray hairs are not entangling with the comb side, so I think it's easier to use the comb side. But when it gets to the lace bit, it's going to be a bit more, I have to be a bit more careful because I don't want it to touch the lace. Because as when I was watching other tutorials, other girls were saying that it would just ruin the whole wig, so I'm not about to do that because I have no money to waste. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on doing that until I'm going to get to the lace side now. So I'm just going to continue doing this bit, and then see, it's already starting to change color. I hope this brown turns out okay. It's looking a bit gray at the moment, but yeah. Okay guys, so I got the top bit done, so I'm just trying to even up any little bits that I missed, or you know, just trying to make sure it's like not a big straight line around the top bit, just trying to make it a little bit natural. So hopefully it turns out okay, because I am not really any good at this, but just trying to save a few coins and do it myself. And plus there's not much people available in this, you know, in these circumstances to do hair anyway, so just practicing. Yeah, practicing on my own dime. Yeah, so let's hope that turns out okay. And yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it in for a couple minutes. Like, I think the instructions actually says leave it in for, let's see, leave to develop for 30 minutes from the end of application. So when you finish, you leave it in for like 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm just gonna tidy it up as much as I can. I'm trying my best not to dye the lace. I don't know if I did okay. I think it's on the same level. I mean, like, you know, excuse my big head. It's dyed up because I don't put plastic or anything on my hair. So the color of it is just, yeah. But I would like to get a new big head, like the proper, you know, the one with the stand and everything that I can do everything nicely instead of this makeshift kind of big stand. But yeah, as I don't do hair videos often, that's why I wasn't pushed to get one. But I really need to get one. It's a bit more convenient to get one as well, because yeah, it will stop everything from falling apart. But yeah, so hopefully it turns out okay, guys, and stay tuned to see the rest of this hair. I'm going to show you how I tone it with the purple shampoo, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so I got a bowl with some hot water from the tap. I didn't use any boiling water, just some hot water from the tap, and I'm going to add my shimmer lights to the water to tone my hair. So just put a little bit in, well, a little less than I did. And I'm gonna mix it in. I don't know, something with my bottle is always leaking. I don't know why, but yeah, I'll wash that off when I'm done. And then I don't have a big plastic spoon, but if you can find a big plastic spoon or big spoon, you can mix it in. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to take the hair and just dry my hand. I'm going to take the hair, still with the dye on it. Oh yeah, I forgot to take this off. And I'm going to just dunk it in up to the hair dye. Leave it in there for a few minutes. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it in there for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna rinse it out with some VO5 shampoo, and I'm gonna condition it with some VO5 conditioner. So yeah. Okay guys, so I rinsed it out, and now I'm gonna put it in this plastic bag. I put conditioner in it. It's saturated with conditioner, and I'm gonna put it in this bag, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a little steam treatment. Yeah, I saw someone in here on YouTube do that like years ago, and I've been doing it ever since. Like, it gives it a little steam treatment, especially this bleached blonde hair. It helps, you know, give it a little steam treatment. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna let it air dry, rinse it out, let it air dry, and yeah, get to styling. Okay guys, so I didn't get to film the installation process. I have a little TikTok video on how I did it a little bit, but I also have an older video of how I usually install my my lace wigs. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I already installed it, done my baby hairs, I curled it, and now I'm gonna just give it a little slick around here. When I dyed this hair, guys, I really messed up. But I'm trying to recover it at the moment. I'm not really good at all that dyeing stuff and doing these hair stuff, but I try, you know, because I find it fun. But so yeah, I'm gonna use this. It's I had this for so long. It's battered up. It's so battered up at the moment, but I know the girls usually use those wax stick stuff, but I don't have one of those. But I tried using this, and this worked for me. So yeah, I would like to get the Care wax stick, but soon. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in, give it a little comb through with the hot comb, and yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys and take down the curls and try to brush it out and see what happens, because I ain't good at curling hair either. But you know, guys, I like to try, so yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Yeah, I know this could do with a little cut, but guys, I'm scared to cut it because I cannot cut hair properly. I'm gonna go and cut this and just mess up the hair. So I'm just gonna tuck it like behind here for now, because yeah, I don't want to go mess it up, but I'm so scared to cut it. I know it could do with a little layer, but yes, but other than that, I like it. The hair is soft. Yes, this is the first time I ever bought from this company, but it's Aliexpress company, Jazz Hair. Yeah, but it's nice. It's really nice. I should put the little clip they sent me with the little white clip they sent me. That's really cute. But I'm gonna maybe try to cut this hair off camera, so like, yeah, I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, guys, I didn't do too bad on the dyeing. I could have done better. Some of it just didn't go right. It messed up my parting. Yeah, had to try and make it look okay, but guys, yeah. So let me know what you would like to know. Anything else on this hair, you can leave it down below in the comments. And yeah, just let me know what you like. If you don't like, you know, the blonde. Yeah, I'm trying blonde, guys. So yeah. Thanks for watching. If you got through the whole of this video, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.